My name is Simon Betts and I'm a student from Cardiff University. I decided to study abroad because it seems like the normal thing to do for me. It was something I've been excited to do ever since the notion of going to university, to go and explore different cultures and see a different part of the world.
Where was it you went to?
I went to Northern Arizona University.
What was it like over there?
It was colder than I expected. I thought Arizona, middle of the desert, desert everywhere. It turns out that Flagstaff is actually about 7,500 feet. And so it was really cold when it got to winter time. It was really quite nice in summer. But I'd only taken shorts with me. So I had to go to JCPenney's about halfway through the trip to get a big thick ski jacket. Just to give you an idea of how cold it was, right? There was a ski resort where I was.
What's the system of learning like over there?
The system of learning was really different to that of the UK. Firstly, every week I was assigned coursework, homework, and I had to revise for a quiz that took place at the beginning of every week. And then exams were taken at various points throughout the semester as well. So it was really different to the UK. Also, the teaching staff were different. We very much have a culture of being colleagues, whereas at Arizona, the culture is that it's us and them, and professors are higher up in the hierarchy and they dictate what you do and how you do it.
Were there other international students with you over there?
While I was in America, I lived in an area called the International Village. This is an area where all of the international students typically stay. I had flatmates from Denmark and Hong Kong. I had people that I hung out with from South Korea, America, France, the Netherlands, Germany. I mean, it really was a really culturally diverse area that I was staying in. So yeah, there were other international students.
And what were the differences like?
The differences between students was just incredible. When it came to Asian students and sort of Western students, I found that there was an attitude difference. Western students very much felt like the education is a right, and so they're entitled to it. It's something they should have and wouldn't question not having it. Whereas with the Asian students, I very much found that education was a privilege. They knew that it could go at any minute, and so spent a lot of time studying, spent a lot of time focusing on maximising what they were getting out of the study, which was incredible to see and incredible for me to sort of understand.